Foxtail from the D.
Mic is on. I think we should be live. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. This is our Sunday live. I know I'm a few minutes behind. So I just want to say what's up to everybody. I'm going to give it a little bit so I can let a few people come in. Y'all know I'm never on time. Kane, go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down in your bed. That's my dog, y'all. All right, we have Kev, Pam. What's up, Pam? What's up, Akil? Face Scorp. What's up? Brent. David. What is that? Deidre? Hope I said that right. What's up, Deidre? I am Jay. What's up? Vicky, Bo, Marshall, Shay. What's up, Shay? What's poppin'? I remember you. I was just talking to you. What's up, Brandon, Vanessa? How do you say your name? Junior? I don't know how to pronounce your name. I don't want to say it wrong. What's up, Mark? Karen, what's poppin'? Rome, Steve, Mike. All right, we have everybody in here. Golly. All right, so what's up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great Sunday. I hope you had a good trading week. My trading week was okay, lukewarm, nothing too much. First time here. What's up, Mike? Thank you. Steve says I should do another video on Greeks. Rome says I'm holding stocks, still learning options. Okay, serious. Let's go ahead and let's address something because you guys might have some questions. Okay, so you might see me in a Webull ad, and literally, it kind of came out of nowhere. They asked for a 30-second clip, and they said they were gonna have like 500 people, but I sent mine like that day because I really wanted mine to get picked. And I sent them two different versions of it, one with the screen, one without it. And then they said that they were going to let me know. I didn't hear a word, honey. Somebody just sent me a little screenshot talking about she saw an ad with me. And I was like, damn, Webull, y'all didn't even tell me. But okay, you find out how you find out. So thank you. Yeah, that's that. What's up? Okay, so this is what I want to tell you guys. If this is your first time on this live, actually, first of all, if this is your first time watching or anything like that, please make sure that you click that thumbs up button because it really helps the channel. It helps to spread the good vibes and get more viewership on the channel. So make sure you thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not already, and click that notification bell so that you get notified if if you would, want to get updated whenever we have new lives or new videos. I know some people said last week that they didn't get notified when I went live. I sent YouTube an email about that, and they said to make sure that you guys have the format that you'd like to get notified on. So if you want to get text messages from YouTube, then you have to set it up in your profile. So you guys have control over that. But yeah, so I addressed the Webull thing. So if you guys see my Webull little ad or whatever, it is what it is. And what you'll also see on the chat, it's like right below me. What is this, Instagram? Oh, yeah, you'll see it right below me. So going forward, when you guys have your stock questions, or if you're like asking about a stock, what I need for you guys to have it in a certain format. So one, or I'm not going to do it. So one, I want you to have it written just like this. Like you see how it says ticker symbol, type that out, and then type out the ticker symbol that it is. And then also let me know if you're planning to day trade or swing trade this stock. So what do you like to do? Because that will that'll help me know what time frame we need to be looking in. So it'll just make everything go faster, smoother. And then also let me know what's your reason for investing in this. So is it that you're looking at indicators, the RSI looks good, oversold, overbought, or something like that? You're using EMA lines, something in the news, what? So that's really, really going to help me, and it's going to show me that, you know, you have a little bit of information about this stock already, and you just kind of want more clarification. So I got this idea from Ricky Gutierrez. I hope I'm saying his name right, but he's like one of the biggest young stock investors on YouTube. So he's definitely a go-to. He's one of the first people that I was watching, him and Zip Trader, Michael Matthew. I hope I'm saying it right. So, you know, those are all the guys in the realm. And so I guess, you know, we have somebody speaking for the late. Kane, you got to put that toy down. Hold on. This is not the time. Put it down. Give it here. Oh my God. That's my dog, y'all. He is acting a mess. He sees me on this live. So yeah, that's what I need for you guys. So when you're doing your stocks, I want you to put it like this, like you see down below. Stock, ticker symbol. If you're trying to day trade or swing trade, like hold it for a couple of months or buy and sell in the same day, and let me know why. Something in the news, you like the stock, whatever. What else? Also, another thing that I want to talk about in this video or this live is I'm going to be doing our Tibio holiday giveaway. And so I really just want to say thank you to everybody that has signed up to Tibio using my link. You know, Tibio is really good for beginners if you're doing credit spreads or if you're interested in doing credit or debit spreads and things like that. So a lot of people have signed up. And so what I want to do is I'm going to have a few little things, criteria that you guys can do. And I'm going to be picking one person that has I'm not going to give too much right now. We're going to talk about that later. But just know that we're going to be doing a Cash App giveaway for everybody that has signed up to Tibio using my link. So, all right, that's it. Running my mouth. So yeah, let's get back in these comments real quick, and then we're going to get into our stock review because that's what we're here for. So we're basically just going to go over a few stocks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have about 5 listed out, and then you guys are going to give your request as well in the format, or I'm not gonna do it. And then I learned that you can pin it. So whatever request that I'm doing, I'm going to pin it in the chat so that everybody is gonna know what I'm doing. So thank you guys for just maintaining with me, honey. I'm learning every day, just like y'all. So work with your girl. All right, so let's get back in these comments. Hold on. All right, all-time beginner here, Vanessa. Sun, what's up, Sun? Pam, still warming up to start. All right. The commercial was really good. Thank you, Sirius. It was short. I was cold too. I had to be cute by the pool. I was freezing out there. Terrell said my baby got the Webull. You know. Shay says Thinkorswim is better than Robinhood and Webull for chart. Definitely, honey. No questions asked. Sirius said the stimulus check packet. Ooh. Sirius, is that true, or are you spreading false news over here? Don't get me excited. I really don't follow the news, y'all. I should probably do better, but it's kind of depressing sometimes. So I'm an empath. I don't want to hear all that. Stimulus check coming, hope so. Oh, Kev said I found out Robinhood paid. Oh, they paid $65 million. Yeah, I know they were trying to do some type of damage control from the SEC. They sent out emails and everything. It was nasty. Waiting on my cash to settle. All right, there's a lot of comments here. Okay. Where can I see the commercial? You'll see the commercial if you see a Webull commercial. I'm just saying, I feel like y'all will probably see it because you're on my channel, and that means you've probably been looking up stock stuff. So you'll probably end up seeing it because you're going to be their target audience. Okay, so we're going to do our first one. Sun. Okay, I'm trying to see. Oh, okay, look, hold on. Let me see. How do I pin it? Ooh, y'all, I did it. Hold on. Ooh, y'all see that? Ooh, getting there. Okay, so this should be pinned in the comment area. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get into the chat, honey. I've been running my mouth long enough. So Sun is looking at ticker symbol rare. Where did the pin message go? I need to see it all the way. Good overbought, oversold pattern. Okay, bet. And then I like to turn this thing on for y'all. Hold on. Let's see if it works. So you can see where my mouse is. Rare. Is that it? A-R-E? Oh, here it is. Oops, wrong one. Hold on. My bad. Okay, so we are, ooh, girl. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, first of all, you already know, you already know what I like. Look at this. Okay, so if you just, hold on, that's not what I wanted to do. Stop it. Okay, so if you just kind of look all the way back here, I'm on the 4-hour 180-day chart. That's kind of my go-to. So you go all the way back over here in April, and it's been in a steady uptrend consistently, but it's been slow. So, I mean, right here, not doing too much, but you are having higher highs and higher lows, but just very subtle. And then right around November, I mean, it just really started to spike. But all in all, it's in an overall uptrend, so that's a good sign. It did hit a high of 169 on the 18th of December. Now, if you look here, you do see, I mean, you already said that in the description. So it is currently really overbought. God, dog, this thing is up there. Wow. Okay, so for this stock, I mean, you can just continue to play on that uptrend. Oh, it's 168. Okay, this one is kind of high. But I mean, yeah, it does have a pretty good overbought, oversold pattern with the RSI. And it looks like it's about a month and a half to 2 months in between swings. So if it's severely overbought right now, it might have a slight dip or a huge dip. And then also right here, you see how it's kind of just touching this EMA line, this light blue line right here. This is the EMA line. So this is what tells you what line it is, light blue, and it tells you right here, yellow, and then orange, for if you guys start using Thinkorswim, which I would suggest. But yeah, just looking here, it's really testing this this EMA line here. So I mean, yeah, you can just play around with that. Keep your eye on it. Right now, it is in an uptrend. It's trading over the EMA line, so it's continuing to go up. So I'll just keep my eye on that. And once you see it start to dip below the EMA line, then that would be a sign that it's starting to drop. Keep an eye on that RSI if you wanted to get into it now. Now, if you wanted to wait for it and buy it at a dip, because you guys already know the stock is going to go up, it's going to go down. So you can wait for a dip, and then you can use that as a buy-in point. Like right here, you see where the RSI dipped down to what is like 50. I mean, that would have been a good buy signal. So yeah, you can do that. Also, you can set signals in here in Thinkorswim. I don't do it that much, but I have seen other people do it. So I'm gonna start recommending doing that too, so that it'll send you signals to your email or a text message, and you can go ahead and utilize those trades and getting in and out of them. But yeah, this stock is really good. It's a little high for me. So I would be interested in seeing if this offers options, and this will probably be a good option buy. Yeah, the stock looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you for this. I need to start writing this down. Hold on, y'all. Let me write this down real quick. Sun rare. Okay. So that is that. So tell me how you guys feel about this new little format we have going on here with the stock review, the ticker, and all that other stuff. Let me know how you feel about that, because I like it. So let's get back into the comments. Thank you, Sun. How do you remove the pin? Okay. Rome says most of us don't have 25,000 to day trade. Yeah, a lot of us don't have 25K to day trade. So, hey. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Six Figure Day says, I found you from the commercial. Stop playing with me, because that commercial literally probably just started playing today or yesterday. So stop playing with me. And then, okay, y'all gonna get me talking too much. I need to light my candle. Hold on. Okay, this isn't a product placement. I get so off topic sometimes. I'm sorry. I think that's why y'all love me. I hope so anyway. Honey, y'all already know I had to go and get my little Bath & Body Works candles, honey. So let me go ahead and set the mood, y'all. What flavor is this? And then these things pop too. It scared the hell out of me one time. This is Cedar Lane. Y'all know when you light these little candles after you lit it already before, and they'll kind of pop. Almost started a fire. Okay. Okay, so let's get on. Let's get on. I don't know. I think somebody may be talking mess in the comments. I'm gonna ignore that. Hold on. I hope not. Are you looking at clean energy stocks? Terrell, no, not necessarily. No, I'm not right now. No. Kim said, "What company is this? I can't see the screen." What can't you not see? Kim, the last company that we were looking at, the ticker symbol is RARE. I hope you guys can see it. I see it over here that y'all can see it. I hope you see it. Also, how do you know when it's oversold? What's the number we should be looking for? Okay, so here's the thing with the RSI indicator. Hold on, let's go back. Okay, so it's oversold, meaning that so there's going to be a push and a pull with supply and demand. So when it's oversold, that means that you have a lot of people selling off, and that price is just it's gonna drop. So it's oversold at 30. So light blue, this is on Thinkorswim, light blue down here, oversold. Overbought is when there's a lot of people buying it. The supply is gonna go down, and then they're gonna have to increase the price. So that's just economics. It's so lit. Oh my God. I miss going to school. I miss just being in school and just listening to all this stuff, and now it's kind of starting to make sense, and we can use it to make some coins. So but yeah, for overbought, that's going to be 70. So that number is 70. You see right here, this line starts at 70 and it starts to turn into that red zone. This means overbought. So there's a huge demand, short supply, price goes up. So I hope that answers your question, Kim. Let me see. Shay says, how many EMA lines do you use, and what settings are you using? Normally, I'll use 2 EMA lines. So I'll use a short time frame EMA line, and then I'll use a longer one. And so there's a crossover method that you can use with the EMA lines, and it's like, oh God, I don't want to tell y'all wrong. Oh my God. But there's a crossover method. So when the long time frame is above the short time frame, then that's a signal of, oh yeah, I can look right here on the chart, girl. Duh. Okay, look, girl, let's go on. Let's get a little lesson. Okay, look at this. Look at the EMA. So this light blue, this is a 15, and the orange is a 50. So this is a short. Okay, see, I was about to tell y'all wrong. Okay, so the short time frame, When that's above the long time frame, then that is signifying an uptrend. And then on the opposite side, when your long time frame, like the higher number EMA line, crosses the short, then that's a signal of downtrend. So they're all just different signals. That's why they're called indicators. RSI, MACD, EMA, love them all. And then there's more too, but those are just the main ones that I use. And then Fibonacci retracement too. I'm about to make a video on the Fibonacci too, so y'all be on the lookout for that. You need to change your handle name to Rhonda, you stop that. You gonna make my head big. It's already big enough. Rhonda said I need to change my handle name to Hollywood Black Girl Stocks. I really wish that you guys would stop this. Okay. Tell them about trending above 50 RSI. I'm going to need to do some more research on that before I tell. I try not to talk about what I don't really know. I try to. I can't see the ticker myself drinking a beer. Ooh, you better put that beer down. Okay, y'all can't see the ticker symbol. Why not? Guys, the ticker symbol is right here. Look at where my circle is. Can you see that? Look at where the circle is. This is the ticker symbol, so RAR. And then also, we've been on this one long enough. Let's get into our next one. So make sure you guys put it in the right format when you request. It's right under me. So if it's not like that, I will not be doing it. I'm getting sassy right now. Okay, so one that I saw that I thought was cute is USCR. So let's go and see what that's talking about. Ooh, wow. Now, okay, so looking at this stock, it has a consistent uptrend. It looks pretty similar to the last chart that we looked at, but it does have some more broad, what is it, peaks and troughs? Ooh, that was strong. But yeah, the RSI is beautiful. With less than a month in between a lot of the swings, like this one is about maybe a week or two between this being severely overbought, oversold again. Golly, look at that. It went from 28 down to 19, all the way back up to 27. So, I mean, these are just all things that I would use going along my trading journey. Also, just looking at the stock overall, it's trading above the EMA line, and that's, you know, showing you that it's in an uptrend. So you always want to go with the stock that's in the trend of whatever you're hoping for the overall movement to be. So like even on the opposite side, if you are short selling or if you're doing option puts, if you're wanting the stock to go down, then in that case, you would look for a stock that has an overall downtrend. I'm going to have a video on paper trading because I know paper trading is really important. I've really started to use it. Damn, I'm already at 23 minutes. Oh my God. This time goes by so fast. Like, it's so fun talking to y'all. This is crazy. I love doing these lives. Damn, what was I saying? Oh my gosh. Oh, I lost my train of thought. Wow. Well, basically just, oh my God, that is terrible. All right, I see y'all have some ticker symbol. I see some ticker symbols in here, but I don't see it in the right format, so I'm not going to do those. If you want me to review a stock, put it in the format that you see underneath me. So you see how it says, write the ticker symbol, write whether or not you're doing a day trade or a swing trade, and then write why you want to invest in it. If it doesn't look like that, it's not going to happen because it just makes it easier. Okay, so yeah, but looking at this, this stock that I'm looking at right now, it's $40 per share, so it's not too expensive. Something I would do, I just have to say again, all of the stocks that I'm suggesting, these all are optionable, meaning when I searched for them, they're all stocks that have options. Let's go over here to scan. This is pretty much how I did all of these scans, and we just go through all of these and look. But if you see here, it says all optionable. So all of these that I'm talking about that I picked, they have option trading available. So if you are interested or if you see value in these, then that's something that you can do. But yeah, I would do a long option call for this one. And looking at it, 9, 10, it's about maybe 1 to 2 months in between swings. So I would probably do an option call, a strike price. I like doing strike prices in the money. So whatever it's trading at, I'm probably going to use that strike price and then just let it continue to go. And then just pick an expiration date that's maybe 2, 3, 4 months, depending on how much it costs. But yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. You know, when you have a bigger portfolio, I feel like you have more room to do bigger moves like this. Before, I would always have to pick expiration dates that were closer because they were cheaper. But yeah, so this is the stock that I was looking at. I think it looks nice. So yeah. All right, let's get back in these comments. What is this? Ben C says, can someone help out? Where can I find the chart being used? Y'all don't see this right here. I see it on the screen. It's showing that this is the ticker symbol. This is the chart I'm using. It's USCR. Cushy say, yo, Cushy Beats, are you a producer? I'm a producer too. We should do a collab. FL Studio. I hate it when people say Fruity Loops. It sounds so... FL Studio. All right. Oh, Terrell. Terrell said, guys, put the stock review in the format on the right side of your screen under Foxtel. My supporters are on point. Shaban Ramen, if they want to fix the economy, they need to give everyone $3,000 for real. We're gonna spend that in a flash, right? What did they say? $600? That's not enough. Tanya said, talk about paper trading. Paper trading is great. I love it. L. Robin says, do I still use Tibio? Yes, I do still use Tibio. Okay. All right, look, let's go into our next one. I see one. Here we go again. Are you a Trina fan? Here we go again, yo, because that's like one of my favorite Trina songs. I'm a huge Trina fan. Okay. Is it pinned? I don't see it. Okay. So we are doing looks like Naked. What is that? Is that Naked fruit juice I like so much? That's so expensive. Which one? I think it's this one. Ew. Is this the one you want me to look at? Hold on, let me make sure. NAKD. Is this the right one? Oh my God. Wow, I mean, it has some decent RSI movement, months in between. I don't like penny stocks. I mean, it jumped from 7 cents to 30 cents. That's a lot if you bought a lot of shares. Yeah. It looks like it's in a downtrend, but it does have RSI overbought and oversold patterns. So, I mean, maybe you can get in close and use that to gauge your trades. But okay, so Qui Pham says, I'm new to this page. What? Oh, you have to put it in the format, the right format. This is what the screen looks like, seriously. They need to give out stimulus stocks. Okay, so here's another one. Be easy. Look, let me pin this one. Damn, hold on. Man, y'all typing too fast. Hold on, let me catch it. Let me pin this one. All right, so we're doing one from Be Easy. That's a cute name. For JMIA, this is a day trade. Oh, I forgot to do that on the last one, whether it was a day trade or a swing trade. My bad. Up 500%. Let's go. Hello. See, tell me y'all. I know y'all like this method better when when you guys write it like this, because it gives us information. So JMIA, Jumia. This is beautiful. First of all, look at the stock. It's in an uptrend. Now I know it had a little bit of a little struggle period here between, what is this, August and November. It was tough, but we came back from that, and yeah, it has really good overbought, oversold patterns on the RSI, so that would give you really good indicators on when you should get in and out. I mean, God dog, this thing is just up above the EMA line, complete uptrend. It just hit a high of 43 on the 18th. So this has been a pretty good week for this. So yeah, it might have a slight dip, but I don't see it going too far below the EMA line. If it continues on the pattern that it's been on, I mean, even right here, you see it tested it and it dropped from that 33, what is this? About 33 to 26, but it tested and fell through this first EMA line, and then it kind of touched on this SMA line, didn't go through that much, and then it just came back, and it's floating on that wave. I think that's what I said in one of my videos. I was like, I feel like I'm surfing in here, because it's like it's hitting the wave. So yeah, I would keep an eye on this one. This looks like a great stock. $42 a share. It's not too expensive. Just on Friday alone, it looked like it jumped 8.61%. So, I mean, this is definitely a stock to, if you can buy it and then just hold it and continue on that uptrend and just monitor it once it starts to dip below that EMA, then that will let you know you can probably jump out, save some of your losses. Yeah, hold it, do a, if this does offer options, it looks like they probably wouldn't be too expensive. So that's another thing. I mean, yeah, this is a cute stock. I love it. Thank you. Thank you, BZ. All right. All right. Let's see. What is this? All right. Here's another one. Hold on. Mikey says, what's up? How do you feel about the stimulus? I mean, I would love $600. I would just invest mine. Thanks. You know? Love Cookie said, looks like earnings made it fall. Yeah. So I know that I did. Oh yeah. Look. Okay. This is what I want to show you guys. This is great. I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but if you're on Thinkorswim, it has these little symbols down here, and they'll let you know, whether they have earnings or like earnings report or whatever is happening. So let me see. Is it gonna tell me? Yeah. So this was an earnings report. So that did actually, it kind of made it go up a little bit after that earnings report, and then this blue one. They're both oh that means conference call. Okay, bet. So yeah, and I think they show you that on Webull too. They do not show you that on Robinhood. That's why I don't even. Robinhood charts are trash. Okay, people keep saying I have a beef with Robinhood. It's not that I have a beef with them. It's just that they don't offer enough on their charts. It's like, it's comical. So they really need to step it up. And I bet you, because I probably shouldn't be telling you guys this. This is just between us. But okay. Oh my God. I'm not supposed to be doing this. I'm in a different section now. I got to act right. But I'm petty. So they had some little meeting or something, some conference, and they wanted all the influencers to do it. Actually, I didn't attend. I had to work. But they're trying to pay people to start getting more people to come to Robinhood again, because a lot of people are suggesting Webull. So before Robinhood, they had no influencer program, and now they're starting to try and pay people and all this other stuff, and they're having these glitches. And yeah, so my prediction is probably in the next upcoming year, I bet you Robinhood is going to have they're going to do something completely different with their charts. They have to, or they're just going to keep falling behind. So I bet you Robinhood is probably going to try and have some type of chart update, and they're going to try and do something like Webull or better if they can. So that's my prediction on Robinhood, my little shady moment. But let me get into another one of the stocks that I was looking at, and then I'll get into one of your requests. So, but we're already 35 minutes into the chat, so thank you guys so much for watching so far. If you haven't already, please make sure you click that thumbs up button. And in a little bit, I'm probably going to have a little commercial break so we can talk about something different, kind of give you a little breather. So yeah, let's go to the next one. The next one is ticker symbol IEA. All right, in this one, I really like this stock because on Friday, it had a percent increase of 8.45%. It has a really good overbought, oversold pattern on the RSI. Once again, giving you great entry and exit signals for your trades. So it's been on a continuous uptrend since before June. Yeah, we can just start it off at June. It really didn't have too much price movement here, but you just see it has continued uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. It hit a high here of $14. So this one isn't too expensive. It's $12. So, I mean, this one you can buy a few shares, or you can do a good option trade and buy like 5 contracts if it's cheap. But yeah, so it hit this high of 14, and then you see it dropped. Look at this RSI. Now it's back here at the slightly overbought. So it's not too overbought, slightly overbought. So it may dip a little bit. I would keep an eye on this. Make sure it's continuing to trade above the EMA line. If it starts to dip, I would jump out. But yeah, for this one, because of the price and just the overall uptrend, I would definitely buy a few option contracts on this one and just hold it for probably a couple of weeks, and just monitor it for more growth. But I would really want something that had, higher growth, with also looking at the Greeks too. I know you guys saw the Greeks video where we talked about the Greeks, Delta, Theta, and stuff like that. Somebody left a comment and they asked me, why is it? Yeah, I think it was like 5 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, I can't sleep, and I just respond to your comments. It relaxes me, even the mean ones. Like, you guys are really just kind of starting to become a part of my everyday life, so I really appreciate it. But yeah, I don't know if it was a man or a woman, but whoever it was, they said they had 4 option contracts. I think it was a call, and they said they bought it for a strike price of $141, but the option was for a strike price of $141, but the stock was like $143, so it's $2 above. So they're kind of like, dude, I got this call contract, but I'm down $1,200. What the heck is going on? Child, tell me why. I looked at that. I looked at the Greeks, honey. The Greeks tell you everything you need to know, honey. That Delta was trash. Honey, that Theta was high. It was like 0.4. I said, honey, you losing $40 every day you holding this, and you have 4 contracts? Duh. Child, y'all have to get into these Greeks if you want to get into the options. If you want to play the big games, you gotta know the rules. You gotta know. That's why I lost all my money when I first started. I was so mad. Oh my God, I lost so much money when I first started with options because I didn't know about the Greeks. That's what tells you option value. But it's okay, we learn. Ooh, girl, my throat is tired. I'm tired. Hold on. Okay. Oh yeah, somebody said, Jerry said Robinhood is going IPO. Funny, Jerry, you being shady, Jerry. Yeah, I saw Robinhood. They're about to go public. They do need the money, but no shade to Robinhood. It's much love. You know, they got us. They helped us where we are. What stock is this? The stock that I'm looking at is ticker symbol IEA. IEA. Just look over here. I know y'all see this. Maybe if I move my screen, actually, let me help you guys out. Maybe if I move this to the right a little bit more, it'll help. Hold on. Let me move this over. Okay, tell me, does that help you guys see the ticker symbol? Or am I going to have to type it in or something? I don't even know how I can do that on here. I might do that. I might try and see if I can do that, you guys, to see if, I mean, I thought pinning it would help, but I think y'all should be able to see it right here. I mean, it's right here, y'all. Dang. Dat Boy says, do I utilize the wheel strategy? Somebody mentioned that to me, and I researched it. They said it was kind of like doing something with the options. It seemed like it was cool, but I need to do more research on it. I haven't tried it, but I did look at it. It looks like it's good. They said you want to have a good predictable stock when you do the wheel strategy. So yeah, I want to get more research on it, and then, you know, we can probably start talking more about that, because what I really want for this channel, I want for us to continue to bounce ideas off of each other like I do. I know, you know, I have topics that I discuss, but I learn a lot from you guys just in these live chats or just in the comments too. So, I mean, we're helping each other. So, you know, I want to pick up more strategies so that we can do more things in the market and make our money work for us. Teach us, Steve. What outlets or websites do you use to find potential option trading stocks? What I'm on right now, I use Thinkorswim. I find everything. Dang it, I'm not trying to do that. I find every stock that I trade, for the most part, I find in Thinkorswim scanner. So yeah. Luciano says, what is a good theta number? You want your theta to be as low as possible. So a perfect theta for me would be 0.001. 0.0001. The smaller the theta, the better, because that means you just multiply that by 100, and that just means every day you hold that, I will be losing like a penny. Versus that person that had the 0.4, they're losing $40 every day per contract, just holding that option. So, okay. All right, let's get into the next one. Okay, Shanban, I hope I'm not saying it wrong. Okay, so this stock, let's see, it's SDC. It's gonna be a swing trade. It's okay, I like this. I like this description. It's approaching resistance. Good long-term play. Clear braces. Oops, where'd it go? Clear braces to your home. Recently approved by a lot of insurance companies, and they hold intellectual property. Okay, so they have some things moving around. Okay, so let's look. SDC. Let's see. Small to right. Okay. This stock looks like you can make a lot of money here. And I say that because look at how high these high and lows are. It has a lot of volatility with the price. It's fairly predictable. It is in an overall uptrend. The slope might not be, you know, super high, but it does look like it's in an uptrend. It is having higher highs. Right now, it's not all the way overbought. The RSI is about 61. It's trading right above the EMA line. So this stock, like, oh, and it's only $12. Okay. So, okay, you said it has a lot of stuff going on in the news. It just got, what did you say, approved by a lot of insurance companies, like you said. So this, honestly, if this stock is that cheap and it's looking that good, I'm not going to tell anybody to buy anything. These are only suggestions on what I would buy and why. So for me, considering on what you're saying, of course, you know, I would have to go and do some research on the news before I would buy anything. But yeah, this looks like it would be a good investment because I would assume that the price would only go up. Of course, monitor that. And the stock already looks good. So yeah, I would say this one would be something I would keep on a watch list. If I didn't buy it right now, I'll definitely keep an eye on it. So, but swing trading it in between these high and low points, it looks like you have about a month. So, you know, it could reach up to becoming a little bit more overbought, or it might, you know, sell off. So yeah, like I said, just kind of keep your eye on this. Just keep an eye on it. So, but yeah. Okay. Queen Marie says it's hard to see the ticker symbol on the phone. Oh, because it's so small, right? Dang. All right, y'all. I'm going to see what I can possibly do. See if there's maybe some type of text thing and I can just type it. I'll work it out. This is process improvement, quality control. That's my profession, 9 to 5. So there's always room for improvement. And please hit that like button. Yeah. Thank you, Motivated Movement. All right. Bitcoin going crazy. Cat. My lips are dry. All right, I'm gonna look at one from Got It Out the Mud, and then I'm gonna go into oh wait, no, we're supposed to go into our commercial. Okay, look, hold on, let's go ahead. We're gonna take a quick little break, and I want to kind of go into, this is kind of like my first little commercial. It's not even really a commercial, but it's like a little tidbit. But check this out, y'all. So 3, 2, 1, All right, is my microphone on? Yeah. All right, so basically what I have here, let me see, I can barely see it. Hold on. Oh, this is so unprofessional. Okay, so basically what we have here, this is going to be our Tibio holiday giveaway that I was talking about. And basically everybody that has signed up to Tibio using my link, you will be eligible to join. But that is going to cap today. So today is the first official day that I'm talking about it. So it's going to be capped today. So if you have signed up to Tibio using my link, you will be eligible to join. So technically you don't have to buy anything to join, but you're already signed up. So yeah, we are going to be talking about this on our next week's live. And to enter, like I said, you have to have been signed up to Tibio using my link before today. Also, I'm going to need for you guys to repost this via Instagram, and I need you to mention me at team_foxtail, and then I need you to DM me your email address that you use when you signed up for Tibio. So that way I'll be able to allocate your Instagram name with your email address. I don't think Instagram shows people's emails, so that's why I asked. And also I'm going to be posting this on YouTube in the community tab. I'm going to post this on my Instagram, Twitter, everything. So it'll be available to you. So yeah, do that. And then also I want for you guys to post a picture of your Tibio profits. So on your Tibio main page, it's going to show you on the top screen how many trades that you've done with Tibio. And on the far right, it's going to show your maximum profit. So the person out of, you know, everybody, I'm going to cap this on the 26th. So you have up until the 26th to send all of this in. And whoever has the most, I'm going to cash app you $100, just basically as a thank you for, you know, rocking with my channel and using Tibio. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be the Tibio holiday giveaway. So I hope you guys join and enjoy that. And yeah. So we can go ahead and get back into our live stream. So yeah, that's that little tidbit. So I hope you guys like that. Let's get into the comments. Kat said, I love your channel. Thank you, Kat. Happy holidays, Robert. Thank you, Robert. I'm so helpful. Thank you, Kathy. I try. Thumbs up. What's up, Wayne? Thank you, Wayne. Who is London? London, you better stop. You better stop that mess. Talking about what's popping, black chocolate cookie. You better stop. TB said, hands up. Sun does that? No. Webull does not include paper trading. Webull is not a trading broker or a platform. It's literally just something to show you possible credit and debit spreads and their profits. So that's it. Antoinette said, can I tell you how I set up my scan? Yes, I can do that. Gary says, I like your channel. You're very informative and give great insight. It's going to keep rising. Plug them. Oh, what are you talking about? Oh, he's talking about some stocks. All right, look, let me show you my setup real quick. So basically, this is a new setup that I used. In doing research, somebody said one of the best things there are the two best things that you can use with stocks is price movement and volume. And so basically what I have here are just the last prices. So in between $10 and $50, that's my price cutoff. I don't want anything too much more than that. And then I have a volume of 500,000 to 1 million. And I know I tell you guys all the time that I only like to trade stocks that are trading at a volume of 1 million. But the reason I put 500,000 here is because you want to find those stocks before they break out of being like oversold. So you want to find something that may have a lower volume and, you know, see that it does have that pattern that we continue to talk about and wait for that breakout. So basically, yeah, this is my scan. I just have whatever price you want, the last price. You can do last or open, whatever you choose. I just like to do the last price because that's like the last price that the stock was on the market, and volume between 500,000 to the maximum that they allow. And also one other thing I want to show you guys is when you're on Thinkorswim, make sure that when you want to have more stocks shown, make sure that you have a higher number picked on the show. Like if I had just 50 here, then it would only show me a low amount of stocks that had a high percent change versus clicking on a 2,000. And they say it's going to take up, you know, more memory, but whatever. I have a Mac, so. But yeah, and you see it just shows you a full list. So make sure you have the full 2,000 or 500, 1,000, whatever you feel like you want. Choose the higher number so that you have more options shown to you. So bam, that's that. Okay. All right, so I still didn't get out the muds. I didn't forget about you got out the mud. I shot a video for an artist called Out the Mud, so that hits close to home. Okay, so we're talking about home. You want to do swing trade, close to support, with potential growth back to 52-week high. Bet. Would you do option calls on this, and how much? Okay, I like that. I like that the way you worded that. So let's get to this home. And right now, guys, we're going on 54 minutes. I really don't like to go too much over an hour. Ooh, wow, I like this. Who said this? Got it out the mud. This is cute. Look at it. Okay, I mean, it's in an uptrend. RSI patterns, amazing. Right now, it is trading below the EMA line, so it's kind of showing you it's in a little dip right now. So this will be something I will kind of keep an eye on. But I mean, overall, this is an uptrending stock. You said mentioning back to this 52-week high of 24. Yes. So I mean that. You know, that would take that might take a little bit. Well, how long is it in between swings? A month. Yeah, so it may not be maybe a month or so before we see more movement. But I mean, if it continued on an uptrend, you know, it could stand to, like you said, either hit that 24 mark, that high of 24, or, you know, surpass that. So this one would definitely be something to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on the news. It is a fairly low priced stock. You said if I would do options on it, I would do options for the simple fact that the RSI pattern is really good. It is in a slight uptrend. It has huge changes in price. You know, we have all the way up to 24 down to 12. So I mean, you stand to gain a lot from this if done correctly. Using indicators, and when is this? So they just had an earnings report, and that showed that caused a little bit of a fall from that. So I would keep an eye on this. Look at the news. There is money to be made here. I would do options. What price? I would actually have to look at what those options are available for this. But obviously, I would pick an expiration that is at least 2 or 3 to 4 months out. For the simple fact that this uptrend, it's not very high, or the slope, it's not moving too much in an upward direction. So yeah, that's my thought on home. So I hope that answers that. Wait, you can paper trade on Webull? Yes, King Hargrave, you can paper trade on Webull. If I try and show you on my phone, it's not gonna look right. I'm gonna make a video, you guys. Let me see if I got any free stocks. I do. Okay. But yeah, you're just gonna go to your regular home screen here, or not your home screen, but it's like your menu, and it's all the way down at the bottom. It's right above advanced quotes, but it says paper trade. And you just click on paper trading. I have it right here. What is this? I lost a couple of coins there, so I need to get it together. Damn, I lost $17. Trash. That's because that Yelp. I thought that Yelp was gonna do something and it didn't. But but yeah, paper trading. I mean, at least I didn't lose $18 in my regular account. That's paper trading, so that's the beauty of it. So y'all definitely got to get into that. How long did it take you to learn technical analysis? I'm still learning it, Swedish trade, but I would say a couple of months before I felt really comfortable. I know at first when I started out, I was like, oh my gosh, what is this? But anytime you do anything with repetition, you know, it becomes more comfortable. TB says, could option trading be utilized to create passive income and another revenue stream? Yes, it can. If you maximize your profits, minimize losses, and, you know, just take it slow. But yeah, it definitely could replace income, because it's like a snowball effect. Once you start making more profit and you put that profit back in, it just grows. There's no other way to look at it. All right, y'all. But we're going on 59 minutes. I think I only got through 2 of my stocks that I wanted to look at. I can just show you the other 2 real quick. I'm not going to analyze it, but I'll just like show you the look. But it was JMI. What is this? JIMIA. I must have written that down wrong. Yeah, I think I wrote that down wrong because this is not coming out. Okay. Damn, that's embarrassing. Can't even read my own handwriting, y'all. Okay, skip. Wow. Dang, that's messed up when you can't read your own writing. I was trying to rush for this live, y'all, but this is the other one. I like how this chart looks. So this is MAXN, Maxian Solar Tech. So I like how this chart looked. Pretty much for the same reasons that we talked about before. And the last one is, looks like Fubu, but it's Fubo TV. Woo. Fubo looking nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Let's get back. So Bo says, thank you very much. Have a Merry Christmas when you're back on. Yeah. We're going to be back on the 27th to do our $100 giveaway. So y'all make sure, if you are using Tibio, make sure you send me all the information so that you can join the contest and get this $100 cash app. You already know. Because I appreciate you guys so much. Y'all literally are changing my life every day. So I only have to give back. Like, I can only give back. Because that's how you get more, when you give. And give with love and give with peace. So with that being said, yes, you guys, AZ14 said big kiss. Sorry, I'm late. No, you're good. I put all of these up so you guys can watch them later on for the upcoming week. So yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please wait, guys. I'm not finished. Please, please, please. Okay, please. This is it. Last part. The last part, I'm glad I started writing these topics down so I don't forget anything. So we talked about the Tibio giveaway. I told you guys to like and subscribe. Thank you. And last but not least, I wanted to tell you guys that because of you guys got our channel above 10,000 subscribers. Now we're able to sell merch. And I know you guys know that I do all the graphics for my channel. I touch everything, all the music, everything. I'm just creative queen. And so I'm able to design the merch. So I'm doing that right now. I have one, it's with Teespring. I have one sample coming to me next week. So I'll probably be able to wear it on the live. But I wanted to ask you guys on live too. This is for my fellas. This is for the guys. So ladies, I appreciate you, but I'm talking to the dudes right now. So with my shirts, I have one shirt that is completely for the guys, Girls, you can wear it too, but on my designs, I really don't have a way that says this is from Black Girl Stocks. So what I wanted to put was like, you know, maybe the Black Girl Stocks logo or I support Black Girl Stocks. But the thing is, like, are you guys going to want to wear merchandise that, as men, are you going to want to wear merchandise that says, like, maybe somewhere small in the corner, I support Black Girl Stocks? So would you guys be comfortable with that? Because I want people to know that it's from Black Girl Stocks. Because the designs that I came up with are just going to be so freaking fire and just crazy, positive manifesting for stocks. Get money, get rich, just looking rich, feeling rich, make other people rich, just happiness. So, yeah. Tell me, would you guys wear my merch if it still said, like, I support Black Girl Stocks really small in the corner? So just in case somebody said, what is that? Okay, let me, here we go. Here we go. Darren said, yes, yes. Leonard, that's cool. Charles, definitely. Robert, I'm not gonna cuss. I'm not trying to, I'm monetized, y'all. Hold on. T says, I'll wear it. AZ14, of course. Oh my God. Okay. Leo says yes. David, yes. Out the mud, I caught one. Oh, thank you. As a man, my slogan is bet. All right, y'all. Yes. Okay, man, the guys are in attendance. All right, dudes. All right, guys. Put it on the sleeve. Okay, on Teespring, I don't know if they let you put it on the sleeve, so I'm gonna try. But if I can't, it's just gonna be real small in the corner. I wish they gave you more options. look at it more so from a business perspective. Okay. Oh, okay. Where did Black Girl Stocks come from? Certainly with support. Just recommend you look at more so from business. I mean, I'm not really worried about business. I titled my channel Black Girl Stocks because I'm a black girl trading stocks, and it has a catchy ring to it. So as far as business, yeah, I'm not worried about that. It is what it is. Yeah, people love to try and keep us down and, you know, hush hush. I'm not keeping anything hush. I'm fully supported by the people who I intend to be supported by. So the people that I care, you know, that I'm reaching out to, they like the Black Girl Stocks. So whoever doesn't like it, I mean, I would say, you know, F you, but whatever. Always support male or female. All right, bet. Okay. All right. I support should be in bold, and then, okay, guys, okay. To answer my question. Somebody asked, will I be, okay, somebody like cussed me out on Instagram because it was some girl, she was crazy. She said, can I be her mentor? And I'm like, I don't know what that means. I'm just a regular girl out of Dallas, Texas. I don't know what it means to be a mentor. I have 15-minute Zoom chats, so if you have a question, you can ask. But I'm not in a place to be a mentor right now. But like I said, if you have questions, I'll answer them. But that's all I have time and energy for. I'm trying to mentor my damn self. So, but yeah. So that's it. We've gone over an hour. I talked about everything I want to talk about. So you guys answer my question about the merch. The merch will probably be live. If I work overtime, it'll probably be next week because I do everything in Photoshop and stuff. So yeah, I'll get it for you guys. But I appreciate you guys so much for your love and support. And I hope these live chats are helpful, beneficial for you, and using Tibio and everything like that. So I'm gonna cut it off. Thank you guys so much. Please make sure that you click the thumbs up, like this video, and make sure that you're subscribed and click that notification bell if you're not already, so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next live chat, and thank you for joining. All right, bye.